Good morning folks, Daniel here. And as Christmas is just around the corner, happy Christmas to you all. So today I'm in the kitchen with my grandchildren, Ollie and Elsie, and we are making Christmas cookies.
Hi.
Say hello, Ollie.
Hello.
The full recipe is in the description down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, it helps us no end. Now let's bring together our ingredients. So today I'm making a double batch, so all of the ingredients that you see on the screen will be double that of the recipe. So I'm using 2 eggs, 250 grams of butter, twice as much flour, twice as much sugar, and twice as much chocolate, of course. We'll bring together our ingredients using a dough hook on a low speed until the dough is just too good not to try. To my cookie dough, I'm adding 200 grams of good quality milk chocolate and 200 grams of good quality white chocolate chunks. Nice and chunky the way I like it. Now let's give it a quick mix before shaping it into balls. Golf ball size for large cookies and walnut size for regular size cookies. The walnut size takes only 9 minutes in the oven. And the golf ball size we're going to give 12 minutes at 180. If you don't like them soft and you like a bit more of a crunch, you can cook them for a few minutes longer. For the frosting, I use 500 grams of icing sugar, 250 grams of softened butter, some vanilla essence, and as it's Christmas, some red food colouring. Now I'm going to give that a blast in my mixer until it's light and fluffy, and then transfer it into piping bags.
It's good, Elsie.
Yeah.
With Elsie in charge of quality control, I hand the piping over to Ollie for his first ever go at piping icing. You did great, Ollie, well done. Now back to Elsie, the boss decorator who decorates the cookies absolutely beautifully. It will be rude not to make a couple of chocolate whoopie pies.
And this is what we made with all our ingredients. A bell and a sucking.
Hopefully you enjoyed our family festive bake just as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, please be sure to like, subscribe and share. Have a lovely Christmas.